My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to bring you some more math jewels. Today I'm going to be talking about solving equations with no solutions. Yes, there are equations that actually have no solutions. Here's an example of one. Alright, now we have 3 minus 4x is equal to negative 7 minus 4x. Now remember, whenever we're trying to solve an equation, we want to get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. So I like my variables on the left hand side, so let's take this 4x to the left side. The opposite of subtracting 4x is adding 4x. So I'm going to add 4x there. I'm going to add 4x there. Well, notice these are opposites, so they cancel. So I bring down my negative 7, my equal sign. But here, you notice those are opposites, so they cancel. So I bring down my 3, or my tree. Now, the reason that this has no solution is because now it says that 3 is equal to negative 7. Well, we know that's not a true statement. 3 will never be equal to negative 7. So since this is a false statement, that tells me that there's no solution to this particular equation. Let's do another example. Slightly different, but same concept. And this one we're going to add a little more to it. So in example 2, I have 6 times the quantity 5 minus 2x is equal to negative 4 times the quantity 3x plus 1. And notice I said quantity because it's in parentheses. That's another topic though. So I need to use the distributive property here. So 6 times both terms inside the parentheses, and then negative 4 times both terms inside the parentheses. Alright, so 6 times 5, let's write it all out. So 6 times 5, bring down my subtraction, 6 times 2x is equal to negative 4 times 3x. I can say plus or minus, so I'm just going to say minus 4 times 1. Alright, but I can say plus negative 4 times 1. Gives you the same thing. 6 times 5 is 30, minus 12x is equal to negative 12x minus 4. Once again, I want to take my x terms to the left side, and that's just for me. You can do it on the right hand side if you choose. So I want to say the opposite of negative 12 is we're going to add 12. Alright, so we're going to add 12 there as well. 12x, I'm sorry. So those would cancel out. But here they cancel out as well. So those are gone. So then now I have 30 is equal to negative 4. Well, once again, 30 is not equal to negative 4. That's a false statement. So that tells me once again that there is no solution to this particular equation. That means there's no value that you can substitute for x here and here that would give you the same value on both sides of the equal sign. So please remember, now you may get an example where the constants cancel out, and then you have something with an x or a variable on the left side of the equal sign and a variable on the right side of the equal sign. And if it's not the same, so if I have, for example, 5x is equal to 2x, that's not going to be equal, so it's going to be a false statement, which means that that particular equation has no solution. Young Gurus Math Tutoring. I've got the solution to your math problems.